Hello? Yes, Auntie Jeannie. Yes, your favorite niece, Adasa. Yes, Auntie. Maybe yes, me get the visa today. Yes, Auntie, finally met us. I got really working on mischievous ways, Because of that piece of prayer, they will me pray, me say, boy, I know I got it. I have to make me get the visa and see, say me have the plans, them. Yes, Auntie, me go collect it myself to the run of the DPH headquarters. No, sir, me no want them deliver nothing, come give me. Next thing I hear, some man say, Emperor, I take on my visa and me go feed for myself. I am so excited right now. I trust me, I could shout. So happy and excited. Yes, Auntie. Yeah, me want come soon. Labor Day? No. Me not sure if I go make it for Labor Day. Labor Day next week. See no fall on a Labor Day? Well, no, Auntie, I'm not going to make it for Labor Day because for my first priority right now is this Sinua. Yes, me have some of the kids in can't read in a long time, so me make them hot for January, but for right now, the Sinua for my priority. Me have to catch a Sinua. So you say no fall Labor, well, no, I'm not going to see you next week then. Oh, Auntie, me having a problem. Me going to need to borrow your credit card. Then, Auntie, me not going to pay you back? What you mean? Then you know, say you line up and work for me in the Bronx. Yes. Then if you line up and work for me in the Bronx, me take me a little time and pay you back. Yeah, $800. But Auntie, it's not free. Me I go pay you back. Alright. When me done, I want you to give me the number. But me have a next problem though. When me I check out the flight, I'm like, me have to go stop our next country before me reach. I pay Connecticut flight, me see. Yeah. Connecticut meaning say me have to go left from when me left from Jamaica, yeah, me I go come to Miami. And then me I go to New York. So Miami now our next country. And the flight, oh, connected. I don't know about that try like it was tell. You know, say I been spelling bee at primary school. I mistake me make potato. Yes, in all of the flight then connected. Well, it no matter to me, at least we get figure out our next country. Alright, Auntie, country, state, same thing. Boy, you born, I love try to put on people in. I know me intelligent. Yes, Auntie. Hey, me I plan for going to spend about 4 months, 4 to 5 months. That alright with you? It means after 2 weeks visiting up. So what you want? Rent? Rent for come stay my favorite auntie? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I must stay so far foreign. Auntie, I stay, we have family, you know. We have family. What can I pay? You come talk about pay rent. Lord have mercy. So come on, where you get the work for me and you want to take up a little money from me. I have to go pay back for the plane ticket. Boy, oh boy, may I tell you. So some people don't want a family. Anything you say, Auntie, anything you say, you kill me if you go get visa. Now me get the visa and it's the next story. Auntie, yes, me understand say you have to pay bills and you can't tell the landlord. Alright, Auntie. So how much you want me to pay? Oh, when we reach we discuss that. Alright, Auntie, boy, I'm not telling me in very good spirits. And brother, I love me someone they give me for rub up on it. Really, really work a good thing. Me follow instructions good. Yeah, can they tell me say, make sure say me wear something black. And if I make sure say me get something green, you know, like piece of bush or so him tell me if you don't make sure say my arm not green. Yes. And make sure say whatever I have no hole on it. And I must get the people in the embassy a nice bright smile and make sure say me brush my teeth in the morning. Which me normally do still, but me getting some extra brush with some Colgate toothpaste. And boy, Auntie it work. Yes. Alright, Auntie. So when you're done, text me the credit card number. You hear all of the information. Yes, and see if I can send me some credit tomorrow. Because I have to go call some other people. So if I make them know so I get through. Alright, Auntie, take care of yourself. Alright, and we will see you in about November time. So I can remember. Yes, alright.